Ready to embark on the journey of love in the United States? Hold on tight as we navigate the potential pitfalls lurking in the application process for the K-1 Fiancé Visa. From overlooked requirements to unexpected hurdles, let's dive into the complexities and emerge with the knowledge to navigate this path to love successfully. Welcome to Direct U.S. Immigration's channel, where you get direct access to our most up-to-date immigration and global mobility space. I'm an immigration attorney with almost a decade's worth of experience, and today we're going to talk about the pitfalls when applying for the K-1 Fiancé Visa in 2024. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Maitreya Brown, and I'm a U.S. immigration attorney based in Washington, D.C. I'm also the principal attorney at Direct U.S. Immigration, where we work with clients in all 50 states and around the world. Before we start, click on the like and subscribe button to follow our Immigration Hub to get the latest immigration information that could be vital to your case. And also, be sure to stick around until the end to get bonus tips on how you can ace your K-1 Fiancé Visa interview in 2024 and what you may need to do before exiting your home country. As you know, the K-1 visa is one of the most popular and frequently denied visa applications. So in this segment, we will talk about the pitfalls when applying for the K-1 Fiancé Visa so that you don't experience a denial of your application. The K-1 visa, also known as the Fiancé Visa, is a popular choice for overseas couples. The visa allows a non-American who is engaged to a U.S. citizen to enter the U.S. legally and get married. That person may subsequently apply for a green card. Unfortunately, the K-1 visa is loaded with complications. Because there are several traps in the petition that could result in a case being denied, strict procedures to avoid pitfalls must be observed. If you make even one mistake, your visa application may be delayed or denied. Now, these are some of the pitfalls when applying for this visa. If the U.S. citizen and fiancé marry after submitting the application and before the now spouse arrives to the United States, the foreign spouse loses eligibility for the K-1 Fiancé Visa. They would then be eligible to apply for a new process, which is the K-3 visa or a marriage-based green card. Failure to provide clear evidence of the established relationship can also result in a denied application. You and your partner must have met in person at least once in the previous 2 years to be eligible for the K-1 visa. Now, there are a few exceptions where USCIS may grant a waiver if a couple can show that meeting in person would go against their cultures or society standards, or that meeting would subject the U.S. petitioner or that U.S. citizen to severe hardship. Another pitfall when applying for the visa is lack of preparation for the K-1 interview. When interviewing, the fiancé should show evidence that they have plans to get married within 90 days of admission. This may include knowledge of a courthouse they intend to be married at, or the general time frame of when they intend to marry and who will be present. Also, as it is required that the petitioner be a citizen of the U.S., a petition cannot be submitted by a permanent resident of the United States. There might be limitations on some marriage arrangements, such as, an age minimum and the level of familial ties. If there is a situation where the divorce from a prior relationship is in progress, but the case had not been resolved, the divorce will need to be finalized before applying for this K-1 Fiancé Visa. Overall, the K-1 visa is one of the most frequently requested U.S. visas. However, errors in the application for a K-1 visa could ruin those intentions and might result in long-term immigration issues. So be sure to work with an experienced attorney or counsel when applying. Now, I previously had a client who was a hopeful romantic embarking on her journey to reunite with her fiancé in the United States through the K-1 Fiancé Visa, but excitement turned into anxiety as, Maricel encountered unexpected pitfalls during the application process. Unsure of how to navigate the complexities, she turned to our expert immigration team for guidance. With our expertise, we identified potential issues in Maricel's application, which included incomplete documentation and overlooked requirements. Working closely with Maricel, we meticulously addressed each issue when a request for evidence was elicited by USCIS, ensuring her application was comprehensive and compliant with immigration regulations. Through diligent preparation and expert guidance, Maricel's application was submitted with confidence. Despite initial setbacks, Maricel remained resilient, trusting in our team to navigate the challenges ahead. With our assistance, Maricel successfully overcame the pitfalls of the K-1 Fiancé Visa application process. Her dedication, coupled with our expertise, led to the approval of her visa, paving the way for a joyful reunion with her fiancé in the United States. Maricel's story serves as a testament to the importance of expert guidance in overcoming obstacles and achieving success in the immigration process. With our help, Maricel's dream of love and reunion became a reality. So as promised, here's some bonus information that you may not know about. So the K-1 Fiancé Visa interview is a crucial step in the immigration process, determining whether your relationship is genuine and eligible for visa approval. To ensure success in this pivotal stage, preparation is key. I will share 3 essential tips to help you ace your K-1 Fiancé Visa interview in 2024. First is know your case inside out. Familiarize yourself with every aspect of your relationship and details of your visa application. Be prepared to confidently answer questions about your relationship history, future plans, and any supporting documentation you've provided. 2 is practice effective communication. Practice answering interview questions with your fiancé or a trusted friend to improve your confidence and articulation. Focus on clear and concise responses that demonstrate the genuineness of your relationship and your eligibility for that K-1 visa. And third, stay calm and professional. So approach the interview with a calm and professional demeanor. Maintain eye contact, speak clearly, and listen attentively to the interviewer's questions. If you encounter a challenging question, take a moment to compose yourself before providing a thoughtful response. Confidence and professionalism can leave a positive impression on the interviewing officer. Finally, once your K-1 visa is approved, some countries, like the Philippines for example, request that you complete certain requirements before being able to board a plane to enter the US on a permanent basis. So be sure that you have reviewed your country's exit requirements prior to getting on the plane. So thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out the caption below this video. We've got questionnaires for different types of visas so that we can help you determine which visa is most appropriate for you. And if you're traveling soon, we also have a list of some of my travel favorites. So I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe if this content or information helps you in any way. Comment below if you want me to talk about something in specific, and share this resource widely because you never know who needs answers to these questions. Additionally, if you have any specific questions about this video as they pertain to your unique circumstances, please schedule a consultation with us, also at the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.